These rainbow tablecloths are perfect for birthdays. I was given these for review and quickly put them to use for my daughter's birthday. Whether or not you have a rainbow themed birthday, these add so much playful color to your space. The plastic is thin yet definitely durable enough. And I love how long these are. They would definitely fit those long folding tables if you are taking your party to an event space. And this is how it looks on. It's so fun how the color changes throughout. It has kind of pink edging and blue on the top and wonderful rainbows and clouds and hearts throughout. I've only used one of these so far, but I'm thrilled that I have a 3-pack so I can use the other 2 for future events. You can reuse these as well. They are durable enough for that. That said, I did use tape on this one just in case the girls were going to push it over. I taped the bottom edges to just hold it in place. And it definitely held. Here was the starting arts and crafts project they did, and it was a great success. Thrilled with this tablecloth. I know you will be as well.